If you want to learn how to gua sha but don't know where to start, save this video. You'll need these two things. Typically, skin is prepped with oil, but if you're someone who prefers not to use face oils, my favorite tip is to use a cleansing balm instead. We formulated a warming bamboo charcoal cleansing balm that not only pairs perfectly with gua sha, but also acts like a magnet to draw dirt, grime, and excess oil from the skin. Once the skin is prepped, we start our gua sha routine on the neck to melt tension, encourage fluid drainage, and amplify results. From here, we move to the forehead, keeping the tool flat against the skin. Next, we move to the brows. We recommend doing each movement 5 to 10 times, listening to the body and what it needs. Then we gua sha the eyes. This area is very delicate, so make sure you're using feather light pressure. From here, we move to the cheeks, going in outwards movements and ending down the neck. This is my favorite move, gua sha for the jawline. If you have TMJ pain, this move will change your life. We're ending the routine the same way we started, back at the neck. When you're done with your gua sha routine, you can rinse the cleansing balm off with warm water and follow with the rest of your skincare routine. If you're ready to experience the magic of gua sha for yourself, shop this gua sha bundle for 20% off.